So this is just a tool with Python that helps you collect info about, well, like collect members of a Roblox group. So I'm just gonna show you it. So it's really, that's my GitHub. Go to repositories and go to group member scraper. It's gonna be in the description anyway. Click on code and then download zip. And once you have that, it's gonna go to your downloads folder. Just move it to another folder. So I'm just gonna put it here. Then extract it onto the same folder, just like that. Then go inside of it, and we can actually inspect of what the script actually does. So first of all, it loads a lot of imports. So this is just Python libraries. So there is import request, CSV, time, SACE, and OS. And the thing with libraries is that, for example, for request, you gotta have to manually download it. So to do that, it's really simple. Just make sure to click on this, the address bar, and then type cmd here. And then once you're here, you see here it says import request. Just do pip install requests, just like this. I already have it, so it didn't do anything. But all the other ones are just basic, like your when you have Python downloaded, these four are already downloaded into your computer, so you don't have to do anything with these. And second of all, there is a group URL, so it's the API. So the API is like the link that you can get the information from. Actually, okay, hold on, I can show you this. If you go to create onto the Roblox browser, go to all tools and then open cloud API and go to groups. Scroll down, you have one normally called users at the end. Yeah, here. It says recommended alternative, but I don't actually care. Like, it's just some useless stuff. So if you put whatever group ID here, you see it loads a request URL, and if you go to it, this is basically like the thing that gives you the information. With this, you see here there is a question mark, limit, and then sort, order, ask. So this is the query things and parameters. So this is just what you use to get the info from. And then there is some CSV stuff. Wait, where is it? Actually lost it. Clean field here. This is just like, in case some of the info from the API has a comma, it's just replace it with this, or else it's gonna break the CSV because it's a spreadsheet format. Because what this script does is save to a CSV file, and there is actually the thing for the fetch page. It uses the group ID with the cursor. The cursor is basically the next page cursor value from the API response. There's just a bunch of stuff that is pretty simple to understand. Like if the status code is 429 is rate limited, 500 it's an internal server error, just retry, and then a bunch of CSV stuff that I don't actually understand a lot, but it's pretty simple. And if you actually want to use it, just go here and then, alright, sorry if my way of speaking, I've been sick for the last couple days, so I'm sorry for that. To do Py or Python, yeah, both works, and do main.py, and then here it's gonna ask for a group ID. A group ID is really simple to get. Just go to Roblox. Wait, how did I even manage to do that? I'm just going to my own groups. I'll just take a random one. Yeah, like Team Husky stuff I joined in 2020, 2019. So you go on the top here. This is the group ID. So click on this, copy it, and then press Ctrl V to paste it. Or I think you can just do that. Yeah, you can just press right click, and then it's gonna ask for the system, like heat at the beginning or the custom cursor. Just do beginning for right now, and boom, you see it writes a lot of information. It's pretty fast. Yeah, here. So you see, it already got 3,300. Yeah, whatever. So it's just gonna load like this for a bunch of times. I'm gonna be back when it's done. And here, it actually finished. And when you go to the final output, and as you can see, it wrote into the CSV file. Has thousands of lines. I don't know if you guys can actually like understand anything from that, but it's just like a scraping to make databases. Like for example, if you want to get all the members of like a condo group or like pedophiles, you can get a bunch of lists like that. It's really simple. And for the second, okay, hold on, let me just rename this. For the second part, wait, what was it? Yeah, the custom cursor. It's gonna ask for a cursor. You can just go to the txt file. Take for example this one. Like this is in case like the script crashed or something. You can just select the cursor and then click this, and it's just gonna go from this cursor, and that's basically it. Like there's nothing much to it.